Yes guys, you can change fingerprint animation on your Samsung phone also. You can see I'm using a Samsung phone, and you can see the animation. If I unlock the phone also, it's working. And at the beginning I just saw few of the fingerprint animations, but guys, there are a lot of animation from which you can choose. Okay, in this video I will tell you how you can apply this fingerprint animations on your Samsung phones or any other Android phones. So guys, watch this video till the end and don't skip any part, because I will be telling you some important steps to how to apply. Okay, if you don't follow the steps, obviously then you will miss some perfectness. Okay, so guys, obviously you need the app. This is the app. I will tell you later which app is this. You can see there are a lot of animations. If I click on, okay, for example, I want to apply this one. Which one should I select? This one, the red one. Okay, let me click on that, and you will get a lot of high quality like 4K wallpaper. You can choose any wallpaper. For example, I'm choosing this wallpaper. Okay, and the ad will be appear. Okay, after that, first what you have to do, guys, you have to check your fingerprint where it is. Okay, exactly, your fingerprint is over here. Fingerprint icon is over here. You must know that. Okay, so after knowing that where is your fingerprint icon is, you can resize this icon as well from the top. You can see I can resize it. So this much is, I think it's fine, and you can move this icon as well. I know where is my fingerprint icon is. So I have to what do I have to do? I have to do a bit lower. Okay, I think it's done. Now let me save and apply. After that it will show like this. Then what you have to do is to just click on set wallpaper and select as home screen, or you can select as home screen and lock screen. Obviously you are changing the fingerprint animations, then you should select a second option called home screen and lock screen. Click on that and it's done. Now let me go back to my home screen, and if I unlock my phone, you can see the animations is going on. So if I unlock my phone, okay, you can see the animations is the one I just applied. It was not that good. Okay, you can choose from here. Here are a lot of animations. Okay, let me apply one more before ending this video. This one looks pretty good. Okay, let me select this one and let me apply this, and let me show you how it will look. So guys, see, you got that. Okay, you can apply, and you will also get a lot of high quality wallpapers. You can select from here. So I just select this wallpaper and I will be applying. Okay, it's done. Now let me click on save and continue. It will take like few seconds. Okay, it's downloading. The wallpaper is also in like 4K, so you will get the animation and the wallpapers are also. So it's pretty damn good. Okay, it's done. I think now what I have to do is obviously click on set as home screen and wallpaper. Now it's done. Let me go back to my home screen, and you can see the wallpaper that's applied. And let me lock my phone, and you can see the animation says applied. Okay, and you can obviously perfect the animations location. I just I had to like move a bit down, so you can perfect the location of the animations. Okay, so guys, the app link will be in the description. So guys, if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and help your brother to reach 1K sub at least, bro. At least make it 1000 subscribers. You don't support small creator. Guys, not just fingerprint animation, look at the wallpaper quality. Guys,